Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Sound section. Then click on Vibrate for calls. Over here, you can set up the best option for your incoming calls by tapping on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you're ready, tap on the back button and choose Shortcut to prevent ringing. If you wish to, you can set up Vibrate over here by clicking on it. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on those two switches next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and Touch Vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!